everybody, I'm Simran and welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you guys. I hope you had a lot of fun on the New Year's Eve. At least I had a blast. I'm hoping you guys had fun as well. And all the best wishes for the new coming year ahead and all your wishes come true. And so yeah, all the best for the next year. Now talking about today's video, it's a Zara haul. I think it's very obvious from my past Zara haul that I absolutely love Zara. It's never happened that I go to Zara and come back without shopping anything. So I love it and it's gonna be even more evident with today's video. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the bag that I shopped. I just stuffed everything in one. Oh my god, this is so heavy. So I shopped a lot as usual and I didn't keep all the bags here because I didn't want to block the beautiful set. I put a lot of hard work in this set. I hope you guys like it and I hope it is visible through this video. The hard work is visible. So if you guys like this set, do let me know in the comment section below. It would motivate me to make even more sets and develop new backgrounds for each and every video because it's like one amongst my favorite parts of creating the whole video. Just creating backgrounds and setting everything up is one of my favorite things of this whole process. So if you like it, do let me know in the comment section below. And yes, now literally let's get started because there's a lot to get through, so I'm gonna make it quick. So I've literally taken everything out and just kept everything in front of me so that it does not get blocked and you can see all the products very clearly. So the first thing that I picked are these palazzo pants. These are knit fabric with little pockets on the sides and a thread to tighten it at the waist. I think they're perfect for Indian winters because it's not very cold and you can wear it casually, or you can also wear it with a shirt and you can look really dressed up with some heels on. So I think they will look really nice. I have never seen something like this before, so I was really excited to try it on and looked even better after I tried it. So yes, this is surely one amongst my favorite picks from this style. And the price of this one is 2,790 rupees. I think it is very nice. Most of the products that I bought have their tags on, so it's going to be easier for me to tell you the prices. The next thing that I bought is this glitter based blue skirt. This is a shiny skirt, but the shine is not something that hits your eye and it is very subtle. I really like it. It has a elastic waist and over here it has some very beautiful pin tucks that add an edge to the skirt and makes it look a bit different. So yes, this is the skirt that I bought and the price of this one is 2,290 rupees. So yeah. The next thing is this t-shirt. This is a very basic plain t-shirt, but it has a very cool element to it that says put money in my pocket after all the demonetization that has happened. Yes, put money in my pocket, like everything that you have, of course the new notes. So yes, I think this adds an edge to a very basic t-shirt, and it has a transparent little pocket over here that looks great as well. So it is oversized, of course. I've bought it for my gym. I'm not looking to wear it anywhere else, but just very casually to my gym or my dance class. So yes, this is, I think, the coolest thing that I have in my closet right now. The next thing that I bought are some denims. Oh my god, I've been looking for such denims since long because either we get like the skinny denims or skinny jeans, or we get the ones that are bell bottoms. And I don't know, I'm not just a huge fan of bell bottoms, so I think I found my perfect one, which is not very wide at the bottom. So this is how the denim looks like. I've worn it so many times already. So this has little text over, like all over it. One says we are denim wear. I don't know why. Then the other one says much more love, obviously. Much more love to you guys. And at the back, it has no meaning. I don't know why. Maybe probably because it does not have any meaning. So yes, this is how the denim looks like. It is a bit distressed all over. And at the bottom of it, there are these little fringes. I think they look really cool. These days, there are a lot of denims that have these patterns, so you can find it anywhere. And the bottom, if you can see, it's not very broad, it's not very thin, so it just looks perfect. The price of this one is 3,309 rupees, and I think it's quite good for the kind of pattern it has, and the fit it has is unbelievable. When I tried it, I really liked what it has, like the text and the fringes and everything, but I was really skeptical about how would it look, but the fit was amazing as well. So this is surely my favorite denim till now. The next thing is a casual t-shirt top as well. This is a white oversized t-shirt along with this top, a slip top over it. It has some lace detailing over here. I think it looks really cool, and a text that says witch mood. It is so cool. I think it'll look good with anything if you wear denims along with some heels or flats or whatever. It would just look good anyway. This is for 1490 rupees. I think it was fine for Zara. So this is how it looks and I really love it. So I bought two skirts this time. The second one is this leather skirt. This has a very beautiful detailing, elastic detailing at the waist, and it looks really nice. It looks like a pocket waist is what we call it. So this one is for 1890, and I've had black leather, a lot of black leather skirts before, like black denims, like black leather jeggings or black skirts that are leather, but I've never owned in this color and I really like the pattern of it, and I think the length of it is also perfect for the kind of fit it is, because A-line does not look good when it's really short, so I think this is a perfect length. So yeah, this is another skirt that I bought. The next thing that I bought is this shirt. This is an oversized shirt. This is so cool. It has text all over it. It has hints of pink, black, blue and a lot. The base is a white and blue stripes. So I think it will look really cool. It has some smileys over it as well. The text is a bit too much to read, so let's just start. But yeah, I think it'll look good with anything like a basic dress, and you can just layer it up with these, or you can just tuck it in with some denims and you're good to go. I think it'll look really nice on me. I haven't tried this yet, but let's see. Now moving on to my favorite part of the shopping, that is winter shopping. I haven't done a lot of shopping for that because it does not get that cold in India, but still, I love shopping for winters, and the first thing that I picked is this green leather jacket. Oh my god, this is so nice. I am in love with this one. I've never owned a leather jacket that is green. I've always loved leather jackets like so much that I wanted to wear it to my college, but of course it wasn't that cold, so I could not. But anyway, this one has some zip detailing over here, a buckle belt at the end, and it has a full fur collar over here that looks really nice. It wraps your neck in the most beautiful way. And the price of this one is 4,990, that is approximately 5,000 rupees. And it's just amazing. I'm really excited to wear it. As soon as it gets like a little more cold than the usual cold, I'm going to get this one on. So the last thing that I picked in terms of clothes is this jumpsuit. This is a velvet jumpsuit and it looks super nice when you wear it. I've already worn it once or twice. And it has a deep V-neck, so if you don't prefer it that way, you can wear a tube top inside it and you'll be good to go, a black one. And this one is for 2490 rupees, and this has a little thick belt over here, so you can just tie a bow in the front of it and it looks extremely nice. It has some stripes over it. It has three shades, basically grey, black and a silverish grey. So three shades, where silverish grey is very minimal, so it's not really visible, but it has a hint of it to it. And plus it is velvet, so velvet has been the trend this season. Every celebrity is embracing it in the most beautiful ways, and I was looking for something very beautiful velvet, and I bought three stuff in velvet. One is this one. I'm going to show you what's next. Next thing that I picked in velvet is this full blue velvet bag. It has golden detailing over it. The structure is quite similar to the one that was there, the green one that was there in my last Zara haul, but the fabric of it, I just could not stop myself from buying it. It just looks beautiful, and the shine of this chain is just lovely. It shines really well. So yeah, this is how the black looks like, and I'm really excited to carry this one really soon. Now talking about the shoes that I bought three pairs of it this time, and they are the most adorable looking footwears I've ever owned. Now talking about the shoes that I bought three pairs of it, and I love each and every one of them. They're just adorable in every possible way, and I think you guys are gonna agree to it once I show you guys. So let's get started. The first one are these sneakers. These are the grey base shoes with these super cute furry pom-poms over it, and these are the casual ones. You can just wear it every day. It has a white base which is a little dirty already because I've worn it once or twice, and yeah, this looks just amazing. So as I told you guys, I picked quite a stuff in velvet, and third thing that I bought in velvet are these boots. These are blue as well, and they are block heels, and they look so good. Oh my god, they have this zip detailing in the front with some tie in the front as well, and they just look amazing. And I'm gonna style it up along with the velvet bag. I think even if I wear something very subtle like a plain white skater dress, it would just look perfect with that as well. So yeah, that was the second pair that I bought, and the third pair is these heels. Just look at them. The shine is so nice. It has a cut over it. The other side has some zips, and yeah, it has some cuts to the side. These are the most perfect looking heels with some perfect cuts at the front, and they look just great. So this is, I think these are for, I'm going to put the cost for this one as well in the description box. So those were my footwears, and the last thing that I bought is this choker that I'm wearing right now. It has another set, like a black velvet one as well along, but I chose to wear only this one. So yeah, that was it. This was my Zara haul. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. You can watch my previous videos somewhere around here and tap that picture of mine to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!